the Nutrition Response Testing 3-Day Workshop. Nutrition response testing is a non-invasive system of analyzing the body in order to determine the underlying causes of ill health. When these are corrected through safe, natural nutritional means, the body can repair itself in order to attain and maintain more optimum health. This system was developed by Dr. Freddie Ulan in the 1990s. Here's what Dr. Ulan has to say about nutrition response testing.
The basic premise of chiropractic is that if you remove interference to the nervous system will then enable the body to heal itself. We learned as chiropractors how to identify the exact subluxation, correct it with a precisely delivered vertebral adjustment, and verify that it was corrected. When the patient got off the table, he was healed. When you checked him the next week, it was holding. But too often these days, even though chiropractors give the best possible adjustments, the correction doesn't seem to hold nearly as well as it used to. So what changed? D.D. Palmer talked about primary subluxations by injury or accident, and secondary subluxations caused by toxicity, nutritional deficiency, and stress. The recurring or secondary subluxations were not emphasized in my training when I went to school, yet the majority of patients we see today are afflicted by them. Bodies are not healing themselves like they used to. And this is because we have a deterioration of the food chain, and we have a huge increase in the intake of those things that literally prevent the body from healing and self-repairing. D.D. Palmer gave us the miracle of chiropractic, and he laid the groundwork for science to restore cellular integrity after it was lost through nutritional neglect or toxic damage. So when we're dealing with a patient today, we need to know which body systems are most urgently in need of support. What exactly do they need first, and in what dosages? The answer to these questions required the evolution of a precise testing system. We have one built on the pioneering work of Francis Pottinger in the 1930s, Royal Lee in the 50s, and Dr. Goodhart in the 60s. The technology is now complete. The results are unvarying, given proper training. Qualified practitioners can assess the status of the autonomic nervous system and design a precise nutritional program that will rebuild and repair the compromised systems in the sequence dictated by the body's needs.
The Nutrition Response Testing 3-Day Training Workshop. Today, the result of Dr. Ulan's work, nutrition response testing, has been used successfully by thousands of practitioners across the country to get better patient results by discovering and addressing the underlying causes of many health problems. Ulan Nutritional Systems, Inc., founded by Dr. Ulan, has as its primary mission the training of as many practitioners in this technology as possible, thereby realizing the goal envisioned by Dr. Ulan of changing the healthcare paradigm in this country. To accomplish this, UNS hosts the Introductory Nutrition Response Testing Training 3-Day Workshop, which is now delivered completely via live stream. You can learn the procedures and theory of this technique on a step-by-step basis. By the end of the workshop, you'll have a sufficient grasp of the technique to start implementing it into your current practice. Some of our clients have even gone on to set up a practice dedicated to delivering nutrition response testing. In this workshop, you'll learn the basis of nutrition response testing, the fundamentals of the 13-step procedure, demonstration of the technique and drilling under the guidance of a trained instructor, and we've developed very effective ways of doing this over a live stream workshop. Instruction and drilling on finding the lock, one of the most important steps of nutrition response testing, how to do a rudimentary body scan, how to test basic stressors to the body, which supplements you will need to use in conjunction with the procedure to help the body heal and repair, individual time and attention to answer any questions you have throughout the workshop, and additional clinical pearls.
This week I had a lady come in. She's 34. She's morbid obesity. She's that heavy. 10 out of 10 chronic fibromyalgic pain. She's in bed all the time, little kids. Has been either horribly nauseous and or vomiting every day for the past several years. Imagine that kind of life. She came into me this week just jumping up and down, giving me giant hugs. We had to cry for a minute because for a whole week now, she hasn't been nauseated or thrown up one time for 7 whole days. That's huge. And her chronic pain is down to an 8 out of 10. I mean, I see this every day. It's like Christmas every day, my practice is, and I love it.
With the nutrition response testing, we're handling a lot more cases, a lot more wide variety of things as opposed to just back pain or neck pain or maybe headaches. But now we're seeing people with liver problems, with hormonal problems, and these people are getting well. So, of course, they're sending more people in. I would say for anybody who's not getting the improvements they want in their practice or not enjoying their practice, this has been a life-changing event, what I've done down here, coming down. My own health problems led me down here. So I should be thankful for my health challenges, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this work. And this has been truly life-changing in the way of making a huge difference in my community. I'm helping tons of people. I'm helping children. I helped my son Caleb. Probably the first 2 months I was just starting to learn this work, where he had exercise-induced asthma. We started treating him. I put him on a program of what I knew at that time. And I just applied the basic knowledge, not even the advanced work yet. And he got better, and he got better, and he got better. And he was no longer on his inhalers. So what's the power in just that alone?
Nutrition response testing has changed my life, both personally and professionally. I'm able to help about 250 people a week, which is amazing. And I was able to open a practice in Iowa as well, helping all those people. So I definitely recommend Ulen Nutritional Systems as an educational avenue because it has been the best educational experience of my life. As a matter of fact, I'm sending all of my staff down. I have multiple associates training. We are building Dr. Ulen's army, and it is absolutely amazing. I'm fulfilling my mission and my purpose as a healer, and I'm able to help people to get well without the use of drugs or surgery through this amazing, amazing system. So if you are thinking about coming to Ulen Nutritional Systems for education, then please do so. You will not be disappointed. It is amazing.
Get started today with nutrition response testing. UNS delivers the nutrition response testing 3-day workshop once a month throughout the year. For dates of upcoming workshops, for more information or to register, go to www.unsinfo.info/NRTWS or call 866-418-4801.